This technique, discovered by a 65-year-old American builder, has left experts stunned and the internet buzzing. What started as a simple idea on a construction site quickly turned into a groundbreaking method that challenges everything we thought we knew. His unique approach is not only effective, but also incredibly simple, proving that experience and innovation can still rewrite the rules. Don't miss what everyone's calling a game changer. FRANKISCHE RIGOFILL STB. The FRANKISCHE RIGOFILL STB is a high-performance stormwater management module designed for underground storage and infiltration. Made from durable polypropylene, it features a modular design with over 96% void volume, allowing for efficient stormwater detention, retention, and infiltration. Its unique cross-shaped inspection tunnel enables full visual access for easy maintenance and monitoring. Ideal for use beneath traffic areas, parking lots, and roads, it supports deep installation and integrates seamlessly with Quadro Control STB shafts. The system eliminates the need for gravel, ensuring space-efficient, sustainable drainage while maintaining structural integrity under load-bearing conditions. Perfect for modern urban water management. Century Outdoor Composite. The Century Outdoor Composite, decking by Shunhong, is crafted from high-quality WPC wood plastic composite, using durable polyethylene and wood fibers enhanced with nanotechnology. It offers superior resistance to water, fire, deformation, and cracking, making it ideal for all climates. The interlocking design allows easy tool-free installation and can be cut to fit irregular spaces. Its low-maintenance surface mimics natural wood without the need for waxing. Built-in drainage prevents water accumulation, keeping the area clean. With anti-slip wood grain texture, it's perfect for balconies, terraces, poolsides, gardens, and more, combining safety, beauty, and long-lasting performance in outdoor environments. MC-INJEKT 2133. MC-INJEKT 2133 is a fast-reacting, one-component polyurethane injection, resin designed to temporarily seal water leaks, even in high-pressure, flowing conditions. Its low viscosity formulation allows it to penetrate fine cracks, where it reacts with water to rapidly foam and expand, effectively blocking leaks. With unlimited pot life before water contact, it offers flexible application. MC-INJEKT 2133 is ideal for concrete, masonry, foundations, and construction pits. It's phthalate-free and environmentally safe. Often used as a preparatory sealant, it's typically followed by permanent injections for lasting results. Proper packer placement and surface preparation are essential for maximum performance. INSULFOAM Hybrid Roof System. The INSULFOAM Hybrid Roof System is a cost-effective and energy-efficient solution that combines expanded polystyrene, EPS, with materials like polyso to create a tapered roof insulation system. EPS serves as the fill, while a polyiso or high-density coverboard tops the assembly, offering thermal stability and design flexibility. This hybrid system supports various roofing membranes such as EPDM, TPO, and PVC. Benefits include material and labour savings, custom design options for drainage, and stable long-term R value. With lightweight single-layer panels up to 40 inches thick, the system delivers performance, durability, and a solid return on investment for commercial roofing projects. Supersized Clamshell Box Culvert. The installation of a supersized clamshell box culvert involves a well-coordinated process to ensure structural integrity and water management. It begins with excavation and base preparation, using compacted gravel and a bedding layer of fine aggregate. Precast base slabs are laid, followed by the placement of massive precast culvert sections using heavy machinery. Sections are precisely aligned and sealed with mastic and grout for watertight joints. The trench is then carefully backfilled and compacted. This method allows for quick, efficient installation of large span culverts while maintaining stream flow and structural stability, often incorporating eco-friendly features like weep holes and bank protection. SCHLUTER-DITRA. SCHLUTER-DITRA is a high-performance uncoupling membrane designed to enhance the durability of ceramic and stone tile installations. It delivers 4 key functions: uncoupling, waterproofing, vapor management, and load support. By allowing independent movement between the tile and substrate, DITRA prevents cracking and delamination. Its polyethylene construction and grid structure provide waterproof protection and efficient vapor escape, reducing the risk of mold. Lightweight and easy to install, DITRA suits various substrates like concrete, plywood, and OSB. At just 1/8 inch thick, it also minimizes floor height transitions. Variants like DITRA Heat Duo offer added thermal insulation and sound control for enhanced comfort. Base TERRACE system. The base TERRACE system, also known as the Rapid Steel Dry Base TERRACE system, offers a quick, durable solution for constructing patios and terraces. Built with galvanized, height-adjustable steel frames, it ensures a level, non-flexing surface ideal for large or uneven areas. Its modular design allows integration of lighting, planters, water features, or hot tubs. Designed by structural engineers, it's retractable, easy to maintain, and suitable for various surface finishes like stone or wood. With efficient drainage, weather resistance, and full recyclability, the system is ideal for both residential and commercial applications, seeking long-term performance and environmental sustainability. $58 million plastic edging. The 58mm plastic edging is a durable and versatile solution for defining lawns, gardens, flower beds, and outdoor spaces. Made from premium-grade, weather-resistant PVC, it withstands harsh weather, UV rays, mud, and moisture. Its flexible design allows easy bending, shaping, and cutting for a seamless fit around curves and corners. Built-in anchor points ensure a clean, secure installation, while included heavy-duty ground pegs, 30 to 90 per roll, provide extra stability. Available in multiple colours and lengths, this edging offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal, making it ideal for keeping your landscape neat, organised, and professional looking all year round. Lightweight concrete panels. Lightweight concrete panels are innovative building materials designed for easier handling, transport, and installation compared to traditional concrete. Made with materials like expanded polystyrene, EPS, perlite, or foam concrete, they offer excellent thermal and sound insulation, fire resistance, and durability. Suitable for both interior and exterior wall cladding, these panels help reduce structural loads and construction time. They come in various textures and finishes, offering design flexibility and aesthetic appeal. Common types include Slimbeton, Panbeton, and CLC panels. Lightweight concrete panels are also environmentally friendly, often incorporating recycled content, making them a cost-effective and sustainable choice for modern construction projects. Max Frank PECAFIL. Max Frank PECAFIL is a permanent stay-in-place formwork system designed for efficient and cost-effective foundation construction. Ideal for strip foundations, pad foundations, and pile caps, PECAFIL is lightweight, easy to handle, and requires minimal tools for installation. It can be delivered pre-formed or cut and bent on site, saving time and reducing labour costs. Its versatility makes it suitable for a variety of soil conditions and foundation types. With no need for stripping after concrete pour, PECAFIL simplifies the building process. Durable and reliable, it offers excellent stability while streamlining formwork setup, making it a smart choice for modern construction projects. SMARTOP Smart Mix. SMARTOP Smart Mix encompasses a range of innovative technologies and materials designed to improve construction, industrial, and manufacturing processes. At its core is SMARTOP's polymeric mortar, which replaces traditional mortar, offering up to 20 times more yield, faster application, and a cleaner workspace. Smart Mix also includes a rubber additive for asphalt, enhancing durability and flexibility while promoting tyre recycling. In the concrete industry, Smart Mix software optimizes mix designs, reduces waste, and streamlines quality control. Additional applications include Smart Mix welding, gas blends for efficient carbon steel welding, and Smart Mix dental mixing systems. SMARTOP also offers long-lasting, heat-retaining spar covers, combining performance, sustainability, and versatility. By VENO Wood Sealing. The VENO Wood Sealing TAI system offers a sleek, effective solution for mounting acoustic panels to ceilings. Designed for optimal sound absorption and aesthetic appeal, it supports various installation methods, including adhesive mounting, wire hanger systems, and impaling clips. Ideal for both residential and commercial spaces, VENO's sealing system simplifies acoustic panel setup while enhancing room acoustics and visual harmony. Panels can be mounted flush or suspended as cloud features, depending on design needs. Lightweight yet durable, the VENO system ensures secure installation, clean finishes, and long-lasting performance, making it a smart choice for home theatres, studios, offices, and more. HOTBLOK. HOTBLOK refers to multiple innovative products across different industries, each offering unique benefits. The HOTBLOK digestion system by Environmental Express is used in laboratories for metals digestion, featuring graphite heating blocks with PTFE coating for corrosion resistance, precise temperature control, and safe sample safety alarms. HOTBLOK by RectorSeal is a reusable heat-blocking putty used in plumbing and HVAC to protect nearby components during brazing or soldering. In construction, HOTBLOK is a high-performance building system for single-leaf walls, offering superior thermal insulation, fire resistance, and moisture control. Its simplicity and efficiency make it ideal for energy-efficient and passive house construction. EPS beading. EPS beading, made from expanded polystyrene beads, is a lightweight, versatile material, known for its excellent insulation and protective properties. These beads trap air in tiny pockets, offering superior thermal insulation, making them ideal for energy-efficient construction. Moisture-resistant and mold-proof, EPS beads maintain performance even in damp environments. Their shock-absorbing quality protects fragile items during shipping, while their lightweight ensures easy handling and transport. EPS beading is cost-effective and used across industries, from insulating walls and roofs to packaging delicate goods and filling beanbags. Durable, efficient, and adaptable, EPS beads provide a smart solution for insulation and impact protection. AZTECK Pool. AZTECK pools offer a stylish, durable, and eco-friendly swimming solution, blending modern design with robust construction. Featuring a Magnellis steel structure coated with zinc aluminium magnesium for superior corrosion resistance, these pools are built to last. The exterior is clad in UV and slip-resistant composite wood, providing a warm, elegant finish. A durable 75/100th liner ensures watertight performance. AZTECK pools are fully customizable with options for liner designs, wood colors, and installation styles. Above ground, semi-buried, or fully buried. Made from recycled materials and designed for safety, AZTECK pools are a sustainable choice that combines aesthetics, flexibility, and long-term performance for any landscape.